Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to set up multiple audio tracks on Streamlabs OBS. Firstly, click on the Settings cog in the lower left corner of Streamlabs desktop to open the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, go to the Output tab, then change the mode from Simple to Advanced. Then click on Recording under the Output tab. Under the Recording tab, you can set up 6 separate audio tracks. Just note that this set of recording format is to MP4 or MKV, as the default FLV format does not support multiple audio tracks. You can adjust other settings including recording path, file type, resolution and encoding. Go to the Audio tab to adjust the bitrate and customize the name of your audio tracks. Under the Streaming tab, choose which audio track will be sent to your live stream. Since you can only stream one audio track, ensure that the track contains everything you want your viewers to hear. Open the Advanced Audio Mixer by clicking the Settings cog, and then in Advanced Audio Mixer, assign each of your audio sources to a specific track. Now when you record footage, you'll have separate audio tracks for each resources, which allows you to edit them individually in a video editing software. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.